between this stimulus and this unemployment and this SBA money, I don't know what to do with y'all. I don't know what to do with some of y'all. So I need those of you, if you know somebody that's collecting unemployment, can you please share this video, tag them in this video. I need to talk to you guys because I need you to be prepared for these. I don't even want to talk about this anymore. But I have to. Hi, Tiffany. Thank you. I'm not feeling like it today. I am feeling like, what the heck? It's so many people. It's so many people. Y'all are letting these kids get over on y'all, and I have got to get on here and say something. If you know somebody who is collecting unemployment, please share this video, tag this video, whatever you need to do. They need to be hearing what I have to say today. I'm going to let a couple of more of y'all get on because I know it's the middle of the day. You rarely see me at 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but we got to have a call. We have to have a quick session. All right. We got to have a quick meeting right now. I need my grown folks on here. If you are claiming unemployment, if you know somebody who is claiming unemployment, I need you to tag them, share this video right now. Because y'all about to get yourself in a whole lot of trouble, okay? A whole lot of trouble. A whole lot of trouble playing around with these damn kids. Y'all, it's too many of y'all grown-ups on here playing games with these kids. And y'all letting these kids do these applications for y'all, take $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Y'all are tripping on here, okay? We need to talk. Class is in session tonight. Yes, this is serious. Y'all always want to say, I'm on here cussing you out. I'm cussing you out in this video. You need to be cussed out. Some of you need to be cussed out in this video tonight. So if you are claiming unemployment, if you know somebody who is claiming unemployment, they need to be listening to this video right now. Because this here is some BS, and y'all don't even understand how y'all are playing games with the government and the money. And it's not that serious. For real. It's a midday session on up in this sucker. Lord. I'm telling you. Pray for us in the financial services industry right now. I'm just going to say that, okay? Those of us who are in the tax industry, accounting, CPA, SBA, lending, banking, we got a lot going on right now. We got a lot going on right now. We being dropped with a lot of information, with a lot of stuff, and people are not listening. People do not understand. People do not get it. So I am on here to explain to you all today what is happening and what is going on, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Number one, those of you who are collecting unemployment, you need to have taxes taken out. You are going to owe if you do not have taxes taken out. Many of you grown people are allowing these kids to do your application and charge you $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 to get $17,000, $15,000, whatever the PUA was offering at that time. Y'all are tripping, okay? Because this man just came in here talking about he paid somebody $5,000 to do a freaking unemployment application, which is free, that you can go on and do for yourself. And then you pay somebody $5,000 out of your $17,000, and you got to pay taxes on all that $17,000. You all are tripping as an adult. You're grown. Y'all letting these kids, these little schemers, tell y'all you can get all this money and do this stuff, and you all are not thinking. You being irrational because you need some money. You may be out of a job, whatever happened, but you also need to be properly informed. And these kids that's charging you $4,000 or $5,000 fucking dollars are not explaining stuff to you because they're in it for the money. They're not in it to help you. They're not in it to provide real services for you. That's scheming. When you paying somebody $5,000 to do an application that you can do. You can go on the government website yourself on unemployment and do the damn application. And then you're going to let somebody else do your application and they charge you $5,000 for it. And now your dumb butt got to pay the full taxes on this whole $17,000. Because best believe when you get that 1099-G in the mail, it's going to say the $17,000. It's not going to say $17,000 minus the $5,000 you gave him. Stupid. Stupid. Yes, stupid. Today, I'm on here calling you stupid. If you're one of these people and you done paid these kids to do an application for you, you're stupid. Yes, you're being stupid. And now you're going to have to pay. 17 grand this man just came in here and said you done collected and you gave dude 5 racks of your money. Are you serious? And now you got to pay for that? You know what? I don't even feel bad for none of y'all. For real. Anybody that's on here and you done paid one of these little scammers $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 to get you that unemployment insurance money, I don't even feel bad for y'all at this point. Because I'm sick of y'all. I'm sick of y'all mentality, y'all mindset. When you come in here for tax season, don't come in here looking for no favors. Because there ain't nothing I can do with you owing $17,000, with you having $17,000 given to you from unemployment and you had 0 taxes taken out. That's the least the dummy could have did was put on there for you to have taxes taken out. But again, you're paying a kid. You're paying someone who is not a professional. You're paying a schemer and a scammer because he getting 5 racks off of you to do a simple application that you could have done on your own. You could have at least called and maybe have somebody do it for you if you blind or retarded and can't fill out a freaking application with your own name and social. If you that dumb and blind, then you could have just called them on your own for that. But now you about to get a bill for 17 grand and you're gonna owe the taxes on that 17, boo. You are. You gonna be liable for that debt. And then some of y'all got the nerve to be doing it in more than one state. You want to claim unemployment in New York. You're going to get an unemployment benefit from I can't talk right now, whoever's calling me. You're going to get a 1099-G from every state that your dumb butt put an unemployment application in. And if you didn't have taxes taken out, best believe you're going to owe. So now, those of you who love to come here during tax time because you got 3 and 4 and 5 kids and you think you about to get this big old refund, you're not about to get jack now. Because now you done messed yourself up. Because now that you done collected unemployment from 1 or maybe 2 or 3 states, now you about to get you a 1099-G from all of them. And now you messed up. Now you're done, dummy. So I hope you did something with the 17, the 15 you got from New York, whatever state you did. If you done collected a quick 20, 30 grand, I hope you got something put up. But majority of you who got that mindset, you don't. Many of y'all don't got nothing to show for that money that you done just collected. And now you got to pay taxes all on it. And if you think not filing it is going to stop something, you're making it even worse for yourself. Because that's the difference when y'all messing with government funding. Y'all think this is a joke. Them kids think it's a joke. And y'all listening to these kids instead of working with a professional. You letting these kids get you up in this mess. You collecting this money. And then you're not even doing what you need to do with it. Majority of you are not. So don't come to me this tax season crying because now you owe all this money because you got dumb and let somebody get you. Like I'm talking about, how I always be on here talking about, how y'all love to go to the schemers and the scammers to get something done and don't know how to work with nobody. And you can't even call them and ask them a question and you done paid somebody $5,000 damn dollars. And they can't even tell you this basic information. Boy, shut up. I don't need none of their money. Ralph, you can get off of my live because you the dummy I'm talking about. Goof troop ass. Get your dumb ass off my face, off my damn live, goofy. Obviously, I don't need the money if I'm on here telling you what you shouldn't be doing with it. I ain't goofy like y'all. I don't need no quick 17 grand from the government. I don't gotta lie. I make my money my way. Dummy. You the dummy I'm talking about, Ralph Roberts. That's on here. Get your goofy ass off my live. That's what you do, because you're not even a client or a customer. You one of these goofies that I'm talking about. The rest of you that I'm talking to on here, y'all are the ones that are going to be owing that money at the end of the day. While you letting these kids, these scammers, these goofies like dude over here who want to get on my live, y'all letting these kids play y'all, and y'all paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and then you're not even getting the proper information that you need. And you're not even having taxes taken out. If they gonna do the application, at least tell the dummies to make sure that they pay taxes on your behalf. I done talked to 3 people today. That's the reason why I got on here. They picking up their stimulus checks, and then they're sitting here telling me about this unemployment money. And I'm like, How did you get that kind of money and you don't have no taxes taken out? Now, some of you who are actually on unemployment, and I understand if you maybe or not have had the taxes taken out, right? Because you may have needed the money. But I'm on here to tell you the benefit and the difference from when you do that is when you do not have taxes taken out of unemployment, you owe. Unemployment is taxable. Unemployment is not income that's free money. Unemployment is taxable. Okay? It's taxable. So if you're not having taxes taken out, you're going to owe, you all. You're going to owe. You're messing yourselves up. This is why in December, I was trying to get on here and tell you that. I did a whole live just like this in December, saying if you are collecting unemployment, you need to have taxes taken out, you guys. You have to, because you're going to owe. If you don't have a W-2 job and you're only claiming unemployment, or you only claiming Uber, Lyft, if you are 1099, you guys owe. You don't have taxes taken out. So that's how unemployment is claimed. Unemployment is claimed on a 1099-G form. That's the unemployment form. You have to wait on that form to come in the mail. So if you don't have that, when you get that and you don't have taxes taken out and we put your information into the system for you to get a refund, you're not going to get a refund. You're going to owe. And it's only going to help you if you got kids. For those of you who got kids, that's the only reason why you don't owe, is because you're that unemployment income and them kids help you. But if you single with no kids, you're going to owe. There's nothing that can be done. Because that Schedule C that you want to file everything on and claim and all this stuff, that Schedule C don't work when you got a 1099. That Schedule C only work if you got a W-2 with some kids. That Schedule C don't work for no 1099 person with no kids. That's what y'all do not get. Y'all just be out here and then, every time I hear that, that's what blows me. I don't knock nobody for their hustle, but I do knock these people out here that's trying to do financial services and they playing games with y'all, and y'all sitting here letting them play games with you. Yes, I have something to say about that because I'm in financial services and I take my freaking job very serious, what I do. And you kids out here that's playing games with grown people money and lives, y'all don't understand because y'all just in a scammer mindset because you ignorant as hell. Your mamas didn't teach you nothing. That's all y'all know how to do is scam and rob from people, and you hurting your own people. You hurting your own friends and so-called family. And you ain't no friend, because ain't no friend never finna charge nobody no $5,000 to do no 10-minute application that he could have did on his own. Y'all, some of y'all is stupid. You just stupid and you thirsty. You stupid and you thirsty and you do stuff and then you don't even understand how it's going to affect you and your family later on. $5,000 for a dang on unemployment application. God. Oh God, thank you, Jesus, for blessing me from folk. I do not focus on this client base. This is why y'all can say what you want. This is why I don't deal with people who make under $75,000 and who are homeowners or who are business owners, because some of y'all mindset and some of y'all, the way y'all think and what y'all want to do, y'all are tripping. And let me just share something with you. For many of you who think that all of this money is free and that it's a game, let me just share something with you. My mother claimed unemployment for an extra 4 weeks. This was back, I don't know, I was like 15. I'm 39 now. You do the math. And my mom got, the detectives came and locked my mama up. My poor little old mama who ain't never did nothing, ain't scheming and scamming like what a lot of y'all are doing. Literally, because back then when you worked the job, you didn't get paid for almost 3 or 4 weeks. Back then when you worked the job, they held your payment for almost 3 weeks. You had to work a week, then you had to work 2 weeks. That's how we was doing back then. You had to probably wait almost 3 weeks to get your first check. So she didn't tell them when she first got her money. I'm good. At the end of the day, this don't bother none of me. If anything, I'm upset because of how y'all be thinking. It's not that I'm upset physically, mentally. None of what y'all do and y'all unemployment and y'all on is gonna affect me. But I get on here because I'm upset because I educate you on a regular. And when you come to me and tell me some dumb stuff like that, then yeah, that upsets me. So y'all on here, I'm good. But at the same time, I'm trying to tell you real stuff. You doing something today out of desperation, and you're not thinking about how it's going to affect you. That's what I'm saying. You letting these kids tell you that it's okay to do this and that, and these kids ain't going to tell you that your ass going to get locked up playing around. And let me also say this. When they did come to my house for my mama, that was 6 years ago when she did it. So let's say I was 9 when she did the unemployment thing. I was 15 when they came and locked my mama up and put her in Cook County jail for a whole week for a freaking unemployment claim. And y'all around here thinking it's free money, it's good, even with the SBA, all that. Y'all think this shit free and it's not free. Somebody gonna have to answer for it. It may not be this year, it may not be next year, but best believe some detectives finna be knocking on some of y'all doors while y'all thinking it's a game. And it's not. It's different when you messing with government funds and government money. You little card crackers that be on here, and dude that was just on here talking, y'all little card crackers, y'all don't understand how life is because y'all stealing and living off somebody else's life. These are real legitimate people who coming to y'all and y'all playing games with these grown people because they stupid going to you. And you gone in the wind with your $5 with your little card cracking ass, and they over here stuck and finna have the detectives on at they crib with they kids. Y'all being real stupid out here. And I'm on here to tell you today, it's over with. Whatever you did, it is. Because whatever you did in 2020 is done. You're going to get a 1099 for it at the end of this month. Filing the business ain't even got a bit. Right. That's what I'm saying. All of that stuff. You think all of this is free money. They going to come after you first. Because when black people start getting a hold of something, best believe they pay attention. You think they gave a care when Trump and all his friends and all them corporate friends was stealing money and doing stuff? That's because they're rich. That's because that's their friends. But the moment you get your black butt up on here and start taking money and stealing stuff, then they're going to start investigations. They're going to start changing the rules. They're going to start auditing you. They're going to start investigating you because that's what they do. And you don't think that they don't see what y'all doing, how your dumb kids on here posting everything, this, do that. You don't think they seeing and watching? Social media is open, dummy. Your computer, your phone, everything is tracked. Y'all think them VPNs don't mean nothing. It's satellites all up around this earth. You think a VPN is going to stop them from seeing your dang on IP address, goofy? No, they looking at me talking to you right now. What are you talking about? But y'all just so goofy. You so damn stupid sometimes. Think you know something and don't know nothing. Because you learn a little something. You learn how to fill out an application and now you a financial guru. Half of y'all don't know shit. You don't know how to do taxes. You don't know nothing about finances. You don't even know money. You don't even got no money in the bank. While you charging somebody $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and all you finna do is flip it off and blow it. Cause you stupid. And they stupid for paying you. That's it. I got work to do. I'm going back to work. I have clients picking up money, all type of stuff. At the end of the day, y'all do what y'all do. But at the end of the day, don't come to me after the fact. Do not come to me after the fact. Don't come to me after the fact, because I don't want to hear nothing. I'm going to tell you in your face, you're dumb and you're stupid, just like I told him. You're dumb and you stupid. So keep being dumb and stupid with the kids and keep letting these kids send y'all off. And y'all the ones that's going to be in jail. Dummies.